video, we're going to be going over, right when you get a TC7, first thing you're going to want to do is light it up. You're going to need this box right here. It's a starter kit that we'll send with the package. It'll be just in a box like this. When you unpackage it, this is what you'll have. You'll have two 12-foot extension cables. And this will be purely if you want to space your C7s out. You have a 6-foot power control lead. Then you have your controller. The controller is going to make your lights switch through colors between green, blue, whatever combination you have. This is your power. This is your power adapter cord. So in hooking all this up, it was me. I grabbed my 3-foot power adapter cord. Go ahead and grab my 100-watt power supply. You'll see that they have arrows on them. A little hard to see on the video, but you line those arrows up, it goes right together. Take your little cap, get it to slide over and twist it until you hear a little click. That's fine to go. The only thing you're going to need to do is find an outlet. Go ahead and plug this in. Alright, we're going to leave that alone for now. Once you're done hooking the power up, we're going to go ahead and get back to the controller and the 6-foot power lead. So on these, it'll say TL32, TL30A, TL48, I believe. On TL32, you've got 3 prongs, right? So you can go around until you find another TL32, and then slide them together, twist, it's hooked up. Again, take this to your power. Go ahead, hook it in. Then we're going to meet both of these right here. This time I'm going to be looking for a TL20. I'll go down here back to this 3-foot power connector cord. Lines up. Put these are big arrows. Just go ahead and slide that together. Alright, now these, I'm going to call these your adapters. We will send exactly this piece with every TC7. No matter what you get, TC7 will always have one of these cords. So we'll take our TL48, another TL48, go ahead and hook them together. And then we'll take another TL38, another TL38, hook them together. And then we'll take our power back, our 6-foot power controller lead. It's 3 and 3 again. Go ahead and hook that back up. Alright. Now off a starter kit, you can only run 3 TC7s at a time. So if you have 6, you're going to need a expansion kit. If you buy 9, it's another 3, so forth. You take a expansion kit, does 3 of them each time. So, now we've got 3 lit up. I don't like these other 3 up. We're going to go back to our expansion kit. Something very similar. You got the same power supply, the same connector, same extensions. The only difference this time is this. So, let's start easy. Let's go ahead and hook this up like we did the first time. We'll find our arrows again. Go ahead and hook that up. And we'll find our 2s again. Go ahead and hook those up. Alright. Now, I'm going to run my power because over here, it doesn't really matter where you hook it up at. It's just in the shop we got. This is where I'm going. I'll go ahead and do that. Go ahead and drop some of this stuff. Follow me over here. Now, same thing. Don't know if I mentioned this before. On this part, all I've done is gone through and hooked it up together. Every one of these just hooks together in line. You can. Another thing is, I've done this before. I've hooked all 6 of these on one starter kit before. All of them will light up and they will change colors, but it'll be very blocky, very slow paced. It won't be what you want. So, to go ahead and add this in, we're going to need to go from our 4 through 67. The 4 through 7, we'll go ahead and hook into it. And then we'll come to our third C7 and we'll hook them together, basically like bridging the two together with this. And once you've done that, you'll be able to there. Alright, so how do you get the suspension kit power supply all hooked up? You come over here, you have 3 on this side already on, you have 3 on this side. I like to go ahead and hook them together. That way all I gotta do is take the one that says lights, we'll put that to where the lights are actually on at, and then we'll come right here, hook the other side up, and then you've got 6 of them running the show.
Okay, so the Lumenplay app is only on Apple products, so you'll need an iPhone, iPad, some Apple product to do this. It's called Lumenplay. It's going to be the icon up here on my top left of the screen. And click that. After you have all your bulbs lit up, you'll see the Lumenplay. This will connect you to the controller. Click the plus button on the right side. It's going to connect. And then you see there's 3 options below the Lumenplay. You click the left button, you can adjust your bulb amount. Let's say you have 6 bulbs, you're going to go down to 6. When you click done, it's going to show 7, but only 6 bulbs is connected. And once you get done with that, you can hit your power button, turn them off and on. And then when you're ready to choose your lights, click scenes, and you can customize all 6 of the bulbs any way you'd like. And there is a way to edit it, so you can click the edit button in the top right corner and click the plus button. You can choose any color you want to, and your bulb will change to that color. And that should be the basic rundown of the Lumenplay app.
So I hope today's video has been helpful to everybody. Like I said before, we showed you guys how to hook this up in this video, how to get, once you take stuff out of the starter pack and fetch it pack, how to hook it up. Got them all lit up. There should also be a screen recording of how to use the app to make them change colors. So I hope the video is helpful. Have a nice day.